back to the airport I took off from. I don't even know where the hell it is. I think it's over there. Maybe over here. Oh, there we are. Alright, 7 miles back. It'd be a long swim. Come on. It's like both engines. Okay, we must have like a clogged fuel line or something here. Come on. What a piece of shit this thing turned out to be. Oh yeah. Look at the airspeed dropping. Come on. Come on, punk. Probably help if I got back on course. Oh. I think they're finally quitting on me. Well, this would be a good time to listen to the advice of my fellow flying buddy, James the Blade Caprio, who always told me, if you think you're going to crash, put on some Lynyrd Skynyrd, Freebird, and just ride it out. So, this is for you, Blade. Hopefully I live to tell this story. Uh-oh, there are the treetops. Oh. I think we landed though. Tire malfunction, blew a tire. Alright. Thank God for the song.